Hey guys, Neil Jernigan here. A little quick announcement. On June 23rd, 2020, and 2 weeks from today, I'll be hosting my very first online photography class. It's 2 hours from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here in the US. It's only $50, and I'll be going over everything I know about black bear photography. I've been photographing bear for 10 years plus, and I'll be talking about bear biology, photography techniques, things that I've learned, things that I've noticed, anything that I think that can help you photograph bear, I'll teach in this class. So I hope to see you there. Just go to my website, it's linked below, but it's neiljernigan.com. Click on the workshop tab at the top, go down to live online classes, select it, add it to your cart, and check out. And I'll send you an email confirmation in a few days with a link to where you'll be able to go and interact on this online platform. And I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited. It's my very first online photography class, and it's all about bear. So it's going to be really good. I hope to see you there. And just really quick, thank you all who watch my YouTube channel, who interact with me on YouTube, like, share, comment. I really appreciate it. It's driving me to create more, and I'm looking forward to make more videos for you guys. So just thank you for everybody that watches and leaves some comments and hits the like and subscribe. So thank you very much. Until next time, see ya.